Okay, my name is Antonia Moschin. I work for the city of Berlin and the Department of Mobility. And I've been working this project that has been going on for 5 years now. And in this project, one of the things we did is set up these bike repair stations in all of the districts of Berlin. So the idea is that you're cycling, you're going somewhere, you're losing air pressure, and you want to pump it up somewhere. Maybe it's outside of the operating hours of bike shops. And then you can look at Google, you can see, okay, where are these repair stations? They're set up all over the city. At the moment, we have 20. Maybe in the future, there will be more. And then you can just go there, pump up your bike, and continue your bike trip without having to go stop it or get on the train or leave your bike behind. And also maybe sometimes there's a loose screw or something, and with these stations you can repair them. Obviously, there's many bike policies or many policies. The Mobilitätsgesetz that was introduced a couple of years back that really said, okay, we need to support more the walking, cycling, and public transport infrastructure. And of course, there are bigger measures like building up the bike streets or the bike parking next to train stations. But these are smaller measures that are also supposed to show, okay, we do want more cycling in the city, and we do support cycling in all of the districts. We looked at where are big bike paths, where do most cyclists go, where is maybe no other infrastructure. So we looked at the data and then decided on where to put up these bike stations. The idea is that if there's more people cycling, there's less people in cars, and that's going to increase the quality, air quality, and increase our health in our everyday life. I moved here to the city center 5 years ago, and we could make a choice between getting a car or getting a bike when we had our kids. And since we don't have any parking in front of our house, but we have a really nice garage for the bikes, we got this bike that fits both of our kids in the back. And so I take them to the Kita in the morning, and then come to work, and then can pick them up afterwards. With this bike, it really makes my life so much easier. We had this thing that you put in the back, Anhänger, yeah, before, and it was just so stressful to handle and to attach it and detach it. And so now it's really nice to have this electric bike that makes our everyday life really easy.